Good morning. Hi, this is Travis from National Weather Service, and this is your weather hazard briefing for Friday, June 28th. Looking at the current water vapor imaging, we can see that there's a broad trough off the coast, Pacific coast, with a couple of lows associated with that. There will be one in particular today off the western um, Oregon and western Washington that will move. You can see that circulation right there that will move across northern Idaho and impact us slightly. Looking at the models, you can see that low. This is GFS model. You can see it was moving in the afternoon. Thunderstorms over Limhi County, moving into Custer County. Isolated in nature. Southwest breezy flow elsewhere. As we move into Saturday, breezy. Some models are showing a chance over the eastern as far as thunderstorms, and you can see that continues into Sunday afternoon with moisture moving up. And then also in that southwest flow, we have a chance of thunderstorms on Monday afternoon as well across the Island Park area in particular. Here's our surface front for today. You can see that trough depicted well. It is showing thunderstorms over Limhi County mainly. I do think they will extend a little bit farther south than what this is showing. And as far as the biggest impact will be our wind gusts, 25 gust over most of the area. You can see the ridge tops here, particularly our northern areas in that 35 range, and you have thunderstorms. We'll be hitting that 40 to maybe 50, most likely 40 to 45 miles an hour outflow boundaries coming out of those thunderstorms. And then as you look at our max temperatures today, in our southern areas near normal, but our northern areas slightly below normal. Here's our probability of precip. Again, just isolated, a little bit more to the not quite scattered nature, but as you go to Limhi, and then you see it drops off pretty quick as we go into the early evening. As the SPC outlook does show most of the thunderstorms kind of north of our area into Limhi County, but again, I think some of those will drop down into our area. And as far as our surface front for Saturday, you can see they are showing some reheating. The GFS model wasn't showing that as much, and some thunderstorms, particularly extending over most of Custer County and along the Montana Divide. Again, the GFS model I showed you wasn't really showing you that. And as far as our min temperatures, here they are for Saturday morning, and then we do warm up to slightly above normal or just that near normal value over all of our area on Saturday. And then here's our wind gust. It's a little bit lingering breezy, particularly in the mountains and the ridge tops, but not as windy Saturday as it was on Friday. And then you look for our surface front on Sunday. We continue that southwest flow. We bring up moisture from our south. Scattered thunderstorms along our Wyoming border and maybe isolated as we go into more of our western areas. And for our max temperatures, it does go above normal across the whole area as we continue that southwest flow. But you can see it's not as breezy. Just only your ridge tops get some slight breezes. And then here's your probability of precip, isolated over a lot of the area, but then you scattered near the border. And then as our max temperatures go into Monday, and that continues southwest flows, likely will be the warmest day of the year, above normal here. And then we'll show you the long term. This just changed a lot. Our thunderstorms on Monday afternoon, as I showed you. And as we go into Tuesday afternoon, fairly dry, and then we're showing ridging building in Wednesday, Thursday, and Friday. Just slight chances of thunderstorm on July 4th, and that has changed quite a bit. And we'll just keep watching that. That may change again. They were showing quite a bit more thunderstorms on July 4th previous, but now all of them are just kind of showing more ridging building in and warming up as we get into Friday, Saturday. So that concludes the brief. If you have any questions, give us a call at this number. Thank you.